Some G's them right about now, you don't know some day and it's the next video right now. You know what I mean? Yesterday Wally Pawono see me make a post and me actually make a post yesterday and tell them say yo, me have a gaming channel where people forgot subscribe to it. Me just check it and me have 150 something subscribers already to it. So blessings and respect to the 152 who will subscribe already. Who not subscribe yet, the name I got up on the screen also, and the link to it I got there in the description. It will be the only link in the description for the video. You know what I mean? It's a gaming channel. In terms of stuff I want to expect to the channel is me I play Call of Duty, all different type of Black Ops and him something. Me I play FIFA, all type of sports and him something. Any sports activity we have, like if me and Troubles go race, if we are run, if we do bicycle ride, no matter what we do from it's competitive and me feel like say yo it's game related, it a go dep on the game channel which is called FamousSosick Games. That channel there is specifically for games and stuff like that. As I said too now, me I go learn to play Fortnite for who all of the Fortnite lovers them would want to see me play Fortnite. Me I go have that on it. Me I go have PUBG on it for people who want to see me play that. You know what I mean? Call of Duty as me say, FIFA as me say. But not only that, we are going to play board games like Lodi. We definitely know say Lodi are going to be on 100%. We are going to have Draft, Snake and Leather. You know what I mean? Just whole heap of little game. Me actually I go plan a day and we are going to do whole heap of Jamaican games like, you know what I mean, Bat Up and Catch, Scratchy, all of them someday. Whole heap of them names they me say are some country names, so whole heap of people probably don't know it. Country people don't know what I talk about. Yeah, me go do whole heap of thing. We go plan some sports day. We just have to be activity for the channel here specifically. Yeah, we shoot a who's more likely to. Yeah, we do a who's more likely to video. It was a challenge. Me actually upload it already to the page. So all 150 people were subscribed already. Them get to see the video there already, you know what I mean? So you know, you can go over there go watch the video. It's a nice little video and Daniel do it, so you can go over there and you can pray that and see. When you don't know she thief and stay already, she does say who more likely to do this and that, she does say me more likely to do certain things. But you know, you have to go over there go defend me. Understand? Yes, so stuff like that I got there on it. I remember if you remember when we do the spicy noodle challenge. Me I gonna roll a clip right now for refreshing the brain. Candy alien, you see matter boy, it smells good. It smells great. You just want to eat it. 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not that bad.
It's not bad at all.
A little bit. I want Alfred get me here.
Yeah, I think we're going to do that. Remember what? Time him for a minute. Before we can drink all that. You never have to do it again, I swear.
Yo, I can't do it. I can't do it.
It's not a napkin. Oh.
You know, I run. Oh God. Don't me feel sorry for you, Mayu. Mayu. Oh God. Come here.
Yeah, you see challenge like them there. All of that, now I go move to the channel, well not the channel here, but the channel where I promote right now, which is FamousSosick Games. Everything where we do challenge related or sports related, as me say, I go to the channel there. Me have some of the spicy noodle right now, so we'll probably do this later. I'm gonna edit it, it'll go on the channel there. So if you don't want to see that, you have to make sure you subscribe, but not only just click the subscribe button. When you click the bell, make sure you click all notification. You know what I mean? So everything when I post, as I post it, you get it. So me have whole heap of plans for the channel there. It's a gaming channel. Not only that, but me I gotta do things where suppose you good at PUBG. Run in with me. Make me here just murder everything on PUBG. Suppose you're good at Call of Duty right now. Run in with me and make we murder everything on Call of Duty. Suppose you're good at soccer. Alright? Play against me then. You know what I mean? Make we join up. Make we just link up and do certain things. You know what I mean? This is for me, and not me alone. This is for me and Uno. Like everything me do, and not for me alone, and for me and Uno. You know what I mean? So me I go have things like me and Chabas, we sit down and we play a FIFA game. And we just record it and post it. Me and Jakes, me and Bingy, you know what I mean? We just record it and post it Whole heap of time we over the house and we play Ludi, and I could have recorded it and post it because some of the time it's fun, it's very fun, and it, you know what I mean? I know someone who know that enjoy, so I go do a couple of them and post them to the channel there. I not post none to this, as I said before. No more challenges or nothing like that now come on the channel there. Everything I got up on FamousSosick games. So if you want them and want to see them, make sure you go subscribe right now. Remember, there is only one link in a here. Look while the camera full, so it stopped recording, it cut me off. So as I said before, one link alone I go in the description, in the bio, and it gonna be the link to subscribe to the new page. So I just ask you right now, 150 people subscribe already, and them have a video because I post a video already to it. Who's more likely to? So blessings and respect again to the person them who, to me G's them who jump over there and support the movement. You know what I mean? I just want everybody to support the movement because I be a thing me I tell you now, be a things I have planned for the new channel, yeah. So wanna just journey with me. Yeah. Blessings and respect again, you know what I mean? If you come out and watch this is just a little informative video. If you make you know say yo, be a games and be a something and come and be a fun, you know what I mean? You don't want to see me play bat up and catch. You don't want to see me play cricket. You don't want to see me create a sports day, the whole way I do egg and spoon race. You know what I mean? Jump in a crocus bag and them something there, tie foot together and do all of them race there. You don't want to see that? Me I go bring them to Uno. But it only I got there on the gaming channel because that is game related. You know what I mean? But as me say, this is just an informative video, so blessings and respect again to everybody, because you know could have anywhere in the world, but they right there so with me and our chill and our support. But right now I just want everybody to go over to the FamousSosick game and subscribe. That's all me ask right now. And before I post the video, yeah, the channel have 152 subscribers. Me I go see by the time the end of the day how much subscribers. How much I want I go really go over there to support me. I want to make you get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this week. To that Friday. To that Friday? Damn, to that Friday. Well, Sunday. Me so much subscribers me can get. If me get 1,000 subscribers by Sunday, Monday. Alright, let me tell you this. If me get 1,000 subscribers by Sunday, Monday, me have one of the latest game. Me no want to say no surprise. Cause me I think about something right now in my head for match up for do to know. 1,000 subscribers by Sunday. By Monday. Because on Monday me I go post the video on the gaming channel. So 1,000 subscribers by Monday. I'm going to post on the latest video. I promise you. Big up on yourself. Blessings and respect. Hope it in a video.